Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this beautiful and colorful bracelet using mini scrunchies. It is very easy to do, so now let's see how to do them. Take one color, twist it like this and place between two fingers. Take another color, take another rubber band, place this bottom on the top, bottom on the top. Bring another color, bring this second rubber band down and the third one to the top like this. Same way this side, bring the second one down, the third one on the top like this. So this, next bring another color, same way, bring the second one down and the third one on the top. This side also, second one down, third one on the top. This is the pattern you are going to repeat. Place one rubber band on the top, bring the second one down and the third one top. Same way, second one down, third one top. You are going to repeat this till the required size you want. After doing them, it looks like this. To finish it off, place it like this. So this is how the bracelet looks. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.